It's a therapy that's been around for over 30 years, but we really need to shed more light on its clinical use in day-to-day practice for our clinicians and to get the best for our patients.
I think that this consensus was absolutely necessary for the future of the zygomatic implants, because we use them for more than 25 years now. And up to now, there has never been any consensus about this implant.
The purpose of this consensus was to basically look at the evidence that has been presented in the literature and have the experts in the room clean up the literature, if you will. And I think we successfully did that, and that's going to be extremely beneficial for our colleagues who will learn how to do this procedure and in turn treat their patients in the best way possible.
There are a lot of indications for zygomatic implants, and for the first time the ITI made a consensus conference on this in order to clarify the evidence on surgical and prosthodontic protocols.
So we finally reached the consensus on what can we do now, what are the clinical expectations, and how we can develop it even further and improve the results for this technique that can help many mutilated or completely atrophic maxilla patients for a better outcome.
Until now, there was no consensus on zygomatic implants. With this workshop, we have this consensus. This is really a breakthrough, and we will speed up to publish it so that you can read it.